Oh, what's the matter, little one?
I feel so sad. Here, a blanket for the little one.
Thanks, Jerry. Let's keep her warm.
She likes it.
Much better. Hey, what's so funny? Oh, nothing much. Just a little joke.
Hee hee, it was a good one.
Who, me? I didn't do anything.
Hee hee hee. This way, Tom.
Okay, Jerry, but slowly.
Can't catch me.
Oh, yes, we can.
Let's go.
Try harder. We will.
Yeah.
Here you go, Tom. Thanks, Jerry. Let's walk.
Hey everyone, like this video!
Yeah, and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe. Ready for our big adventure, Jerry?
You bet, Tom. Let's go.
To the backyard.
Catch me if you can, Slowpoke.
Just you wait, you little pest.
Too slow.
Grr, get back here. Phew, I think we'll make it on time.
Yes, we're almost there.
All right, Jerry, let's get our tickets.
Yay, tickets.
Here are your boarding passes.
Thank you.
Adventure.
Wow, Tom, this is fun.
Jerry, no mischief. Behave.
I promise.
Good. Now rest. We're gonna crash! The parachute, hold on! It's raining cats and dogs! Lightning! How do we get out of here now?
How do we get out of here now?
I'm hungry!
Me too.
This'll get him down! What? Not again! Nice try. Go on, swing it!
Here goes.
Whoa!
See, Tom? We build it right here.
Wow, Jerry, that's brilliant! We'll need the coconuts for the hull. Higher, Tom! Aim higher! Yeah!
It's tilting. One more.
Time to bring this project crashing down! What's the matter? Logistic problems? Hold still, you little pest!
Eek! Be careful.
Almost got it!
It's wobbling.
Please like, subscribe, and comment to get the next part.
Come and get it, Slowpoke!
Why, you little too slow?
Get back here! Get back here! You won't escape!
Why did you break all these dishes, Tom? Well, I'm waiting for an explanation. Get back here, you little pest!
Too slow, cat lady.
You'll regret that!
Please like, subscribe, and comment to get the next part.
Hey, open up! Come on, hurry! I'm freezing out here! Fine, be that way! That's it, Jerry. I'm done.
Doc, please! It's Tom, he's hurt bad! I see. Let's get him inside, quickly!
The treatment is serious. It will cost $200.
$200? We have to save him!
Oh no! Hey, soup's on! Get it while it's hot! Only $10 a cup, best deal in town! Who's next for some hot soup?
Me, it smells great. Save some for me.
Coming right up.
I'm sorry, this isn't enough.
But it's all I have, please.
The treatment is expensive.
Spikeware.
Let's get these bricks up there! Right behind you, partner!
Oof, these are heavy.
Careful now! Got it!
Here's your payment, Spike. You earned it.
Thank you, sir, it means a lot.
Stay warm out there.
You too!
We made it, Spike!
Yeah, buddy, time to ride!
Woohoo! This is freedom! You bet! Snowball fight! You asked for it!
Whoa, that was fun.
Yeah, friends?
I'm really sorry, guys.
We forgive you, Jerry. Yeah, water under the bridge.
Hey everyone, like this video.
Yeah, and share it with your friends! And don't forget to subscribe!
Please like, subscribe, and comment to get the next part.
thrown me out. Where do I go now? What will happen to me? I feel so sick.
Oh no, you're really sick. You have a fever. I have to get you to the hospital fast. Please help. My kitten is sick.
Of course. Let's get you both inside.
Oh, thank you, doctor.
$200 treatment fee.
Huh? 200? What does that even mean? I don't get it. One cup of soup is $10. I'm selling it. Give me $10 and I'll give you the soup.
Here you go.
Hurry up with those bricks. I'm going as fast as I can. Need a hand, tough guy? No! Here's your bonus for the great work. Wow, thanks. This is fantastic. You earned it. Keep it up. Here's your payment, Doc. Make it quick.
I can't accept this. It's not ethical.
Take the dough.
Well, maybe just this once. Now, this won't hurt a bit.
I don't wanna.
Back off, Doc.
It's cold, but we're almost there.
Yeah, kid. Let's keep moving.
Thanks for coming with me.
I'm sorry. Forgive me. I made a mistake.
It's okay. No problem.
It's okay, no problem.
Snow day, let's go!
Yeah, snowball fight. You got it, fellas.
Well, if it isn't the little squeaker, who you calling squeaker, furball?
Ooh, feisty today. Leave the mouse alone.
Haha, truce? You bet, Pipsqueak. Snowball!
Please like, subscribe, and comment to get the next part.
Hey everyone, like this video!
Yeah, and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe.
Please like, subscribe, and comment to get the next part.
This tea is really good. Just amazing. Easy now, Jerry.
Got it, Tom!
Hey, get back there!
All the work is finally finished. Now we just need to lock it.
We still need to bring more wood.
I'm so hungry.
Let's catch the fish as quickly as possible.
You bet. This is gonna be fun.
Good morning, Jerry.
Morning, Tom. So sleepy. There we go, Jerry. All ready.
Yay, tea time.